everyday items people's homes as an app.
We invented ultra water. Just look at like water.
Cleveland, Ohio. In Los Angeles, California. In Chongqing, China.
It's Jay Avril, and today I'd like to present you guys my company, Teletag. You know at home when you
all in order. So drum roll please for So we have a multiplier of 3 times. So if you however and you can see, and you can see that from here to here it like went up a little bit, but it didn't really change very much. So overall that stayed the same. Okay, there we go. So yeah, if you invested it,